Hello everyone, my name's Tim with P&K. Today we're going to talk about grapples, and we're going to talk about Frontier Root Grapples. The one we have here is an AV20. It's on a 3025E, fits the 3 and the 4 series tractor. It's the best fit for them. Have many sizes, some smaller and much larger to fit larger tractors. A good reason you would want a root grapple is if you've got a lot of trees, this will be a helpful attachment as far as being able to clear it the most efficient way. It's going to be the quickest. Dragging the trees around takes a lot of time. You're not getting that much done. You've got busy lives, so this one you can clear a lot of brush that you've got down, but due to ice storms, power outages, those type of things, wind. When you've got a property with a lot of trees, you're going to have down trees. You're constantly going to be moving them and clearing fence lines. A good way to move all that to a brush pile or to a bin to dispose of. So when we're talking about grapples, we have different size of grapples. This particular grapple has just a 1-cylinder grapple. The larger grapples have a 2-cylinder grapple, so there's basically 2 arms that can come down to grapple the debris or material you're trying to lift. And speaking of that, the grapples are a hydraulic grapple. You can see the hydraulic cylinder here. So they do require hydraulics to run to the front of your tractor. Some of your tractors may be ordered that. Some of the larger ones may come with that if you've ordered it that way. If you don't, you'll have to get with your salesperson at P&K, get with your dealership, talk to them about that additional cost to add the hydraulics run to the front. So you'll definitely need that, or you won't be able to run this attachment. But with that being said, these have a large opening. The root grapples are great for a lot of things, mainly for brush, and that's kind of what we're talking about mainly here. You can move, you take out a fence line, you've got barbed wire, strands of it kind of piled up. You can go grapple that, so you can grapple about anything. But the main thing is for the brush. So you'll just want to make sure that you have the hydraulics run to the front on these. So that's all we've got for the grapples today. So reach out to your P&K sales team and they'll get you fixed up.